Les Paul copy, flame top. I don't know the name of it. It's a unnamed bolt-on neck Les Paul cheap, whatever it was. I don't know. The neck I bought online, I even forgot the name of that. So, well, there's no markings on any of these things here. But it sounds good. Intonation's good. Not bad. The action's a little low, but a lot of people like it like that, I would think. Rhythm. The two pickups.